Hi, in this video, I would like to show you how you can use this calculator app to add length values that are expressed in feet, inches, or even fraction of inches. This can be useful in many different home project applications. For example, if you want to buy molding or baseboard, you want to know how much you need to buy from the store, or if you want to calculate the area of the walls that you want to paint so that you know how many gallons of paint you need to buy. You can use this to add length values to have a total sum of the length, and then for the paint application you just have to multiply that sum of the length by the basically the ceiling height to get the area of your wall. So in this view of the application, I tap on the fourth icon from the top left, which shows plus or minus. This is add, subtract, multiply, divide module. On this screen, I start adding my length values. Basically I've gone ahead and measured the different sections of the wall length in one of the rooms in my house. So you can do it for one room or multiple rooms depending on your application. So I start entering the values. The first value is 3 feet 9 inches. I press plus. The second value is 11 feet 8 inches and 5/8 of an inch. The third value is 2 feet 5 inches. The fourth value, let's say, since the tape measures have both in feet and inches, let's say I just use the inch value and I just use the 28 inch for that value. And then also for the last value, let's say I just measured 46 inches. So in this case, I can press plus. So it shows the value to be 24 feet and 5/8 of an inch. So let's say one of these values that I entered was for a wall that is opposite another wall, and therefore they have the same exact length. So let's say the second wall that I measured 11 feet 8 inches and 5/8 of an inch has an opposing wall with the same value. So I press that basically top facing arrow on top of it, and as you can see on the bottom it shows that that one is multiplied by 2, and as you can see all the other values they show a multiplied by 1. So let's say if you are in a situation that the same value of length is repeated multiple times, of course you don't have to enter it multiple times. You can just use these arrows to multiply one of these by any number. So let me, for example, show you that the first value, if it was, let's say, repeated 3 times, as you can see now, the first value is repeated 3 times and the result is updated. In this case, the result is 43 feet 3 inches and 1/4 of an inch. If I tap on that row, it takes me to this value. On the very top it shows the original result in that format, and then it at the bottom or in the middle it shows you for example what is it in yards or what is it in feet or inches. If I tap each of those rows, it also shows the conversion into fractions. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. I put a link on how you can download this application in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.